In this video, I'll show you how to connect a 3.5mm jack to your LG TV. Step 1. Locate the audio out port. Find the 3.5mm head out jack if available on the TV side or rear panel. Alternatively, look for RCA out. This is red, white. Adapters are available. Step 2. Select the right connection. If your TV has a 3.5mm jack, you can use a standard AUX cable. For RCA out, use an RCA to 3.5mm adapter, red-white to single stereo plug. Step 3. Plug in your audio device. Insert the 3.5mm plug into the headphone jack or adapter. Ensure a snug fit for best audio quality. Step 4. Set audio output in settings. Go to settings, then sound, and then sound out. Select headphone or external speaker as needed. Step 5. Test and control your volume. Play content on your TV and check the sound through headphones or speakers. Adjust volume using your remote or the audio device if it has its own control. So that's how you use a 3.5mm headphone jack on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.